Uploading files from your computer to OneDrive makes it easy for you to access those files anywhere you sign in to OneDrive. Start by opening a web browser and going to onedrive.com. If you're already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll see the contents of your OneDrive. If not, click Sign In to log on. The My Files section of your OneDrive is the place you'll want to upload your files. If you'd like to upload files to a particular folder, click that folder, or click New and then Folder to create a brand new folder. Next, click the Upload button at the top to see your upload options. If you want to upload an entire folder from your computer, select Folder. Choose the folder you want to upload and then click Upload to upload the files. If you want to select one or more individual files, select Files from the menu instead. Then select a file from your computer or choose multiple files by holding down the Control key as you click each file name, and then click Open to start the upload. Once your files are uploaded, you'll see them in the main window, and you can easily access them anywhere you sign in to OneDrive.